go to Hesi. Hesi.
Why?
Are you crying? Who follow you?
No.
Why you have water here?
Hello, Papa.
Hello. You have eat?
No. We still haven't eat.
I go buy food?
Eh?
I go buy food?
We have hot dogs there. Hot dogs.
Can I have one?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. A dog?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Ooh, so good.
Papa, it's so yummy.
So good.
Masabi ni
Chicken longganisa.
Palog, ayos the one you buy me.
Oh, yes. So beautiful.
Yeah.
The color.
Chichong. No, I know some a little bit China. Sunod lang sa kay Ate Ing. Uy, dito sabi.
Can't. Cut.
Ate, bolo ko siya.
Really? Oh, okay.
So that we can
Good man.
Papa, you're hungry?
Yes.
Dalawa sa akin kasi ay kaya yung isa. Uy!
Brother.
Ano gagawin ni tita? Tita!
You haven't fallen
I go, I go just sakaling I go tama sa inyo
Ay, nakaibahan niya. Okay.
Lalo ginagawa
Kaya na may table.
gagawa siya ay nakakalaga kailan ang pasahan ate kailan ang pasahan sa loob ng Diyos ay paligtasan sa pagkita o dapat Papa my
Yeah.
favorite color is purple
Haley, Haley is pink.
yeah,
Yeah,
what's
I
your
know.
favorite color Papa?
Black.
Black.
Let's eat.
Lilit. Dali daw eh. Ano? Diba? Uy.
Pag animals, like 45, 5.
Dala lang gusto natin eh. Is it China?
You want to go China? You want to go China?
I don't know if Philippines girls or boys are allowed in China.
Ako kasi, si dito mo dati kung ano yung, ano niya sa hidwaan ng